Hi, everybody. Do you have a challenge getting your voice to come out loud enough, clear enough, strong enough when you go to talk to someone? If you've got Parkinson's or you're surviving stroke or brain injury, or you have another neurological reason why your voice isn't working the way you want, I have a quick warm up you can do with me right now, and you can train yourself to do it before you go to talk to anyone. So I hope you'll stick with me for that. I'm Kirsten. I'm so happy you're here. I facilitate Beyond High C. They're live, personalized practices to help you improve your speech and speak better, easier in your conversations. And I would love for you to see what we do at beyondhighc.com. Now, here comes the quick warm up, and you can train yourself, and you should train yourself to do this before you go to speak to someone. So many people who've got Parkinson's or they've had a stroke and they're struggling to get their voice going, they may do exercises. Maybe they come to YouTube to do an exercise, or their speech therapist gives them an exercise. And those are very good, and you should do them. But so many people tell me that it's hard to translate and transfer what they're doing with their voice practice into their conversations. I think you should take just a moment to warm your voice up, remind your mind and remind your body before you actually talk to someone, so you can use your voice in the best way possible to communicate. So join me right now. We're going to do 3 steps in this mini warm-up. Step number 1, 3 puffs. Step number 2, the hum. And step number 3, we'll say a word. We're going to say hello. 3 steps. We're warming up your breath support muscles. We're warming up your voice, and you're warming up the coordination of those 2 things. All right, here we go with the 3 puffs. You sit up a little tall in your seat. You want to have energy coming into your body. Your core muscles around your stomach, where your 6-pack would be, that's the power source. I'm going to put my hand on those muscles. Listen once. I'm taking a fresh, fueling breath in, and I'll say, do you hear that? Just 3 puffs of air. They're very separated. Do that with me. Let's go. Do it one more time. Breathing in. You should be able to feel the pulse in your core, in your stomach muscles. Going on to the hum. Once you've got your stomach muscles engaged, you want to hum. You could do 2 short and 1 long. Listen to it once and do it with me. Here I go. Fresh breath in. Ready? Do it with me. Ideally, your voice will not cut out. And if you repeat this and repeat this over a little time, your voice will stay more consistent. You want a fresh fueling breath in before those. So we did our 3 puffs of air. We did our hums. And we want to coordinate those things now by saying the word hello. Keep it light. Keep it gentle. You're strong in your core muscles, but you're not pushing on it. I'm taking a fresh fueling breath in, and I'm saying, hello. Breathe in, hello. Breathe in, hello. The last thing I'd like for you to do is just say, how are you? Now, that's not as simple as it is on the surface, because I want you to be thinking a fresh fueling breath in, your core muscles turned on down here, and you're managing some things. Did I take a fresh fueling breath in? Are my core muscles turned on? Am I pushing on it, or am I keeping the volume light? And you could say with me, fresh breath in, how are you? Breathe in, how are you? 1 more, how are you? All right, that's just a mini warm up. And there's some things you should do through your day. There'll be some more, in fact, here on this channel to help you too. So this is before you talk to anybody. How about we do it without my instructions, and you just follow me? We'll see how short it is. It'll be short. All right, from the top, we've got breath support puffs, humming for your voice, and then a couple of words for the coordination of those things. Sitting up a little tall in your seat, shoulders back, the puffs with your core muscles. Fresh breath in. Do again. Now the hum. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe. Breathe. Do that one more time. Breathe. Breathe. And coordinating with a fresh breath, we say, hello. Breathe in. Hello. Breathe in. Hello. And then we say, how are you? Breathe. How are you? Breathe. How are you? Breathe. If you do some voice exercises and then before you talk, you do this quick mini exercise, I bet your mind will be engaged, your muscles will coordinate, and you will have an easier time remembering how to support your good voice for the conversation you are about to have. I would love to hear, if you want to drop a comment and let me know, try it. What do you have to say? Is this a challenge for you? I hope you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I have more exercises, tips, tools, and inspiration coming your way. And I would love for you to see just how we help in a personalized, live, and engaging fun way at beyondhighc.com. I hope you'll check out the next video, and I will hope to see you again here very soon. Thanks for watching.